Morning everyone, how we doing? Welcome back to another day bricklaying. And yeah, today let's go and crack on with some more work, see what we can get done today. So without further ado, let's jump right into it and get into the work. Yo! Right, let's get this started. In the forky this morning. Let's get it on. Go and get the mug tub over. Oops, she started. Let's get that window open. Right, let's go and get some muck. So I wanted some blues, so I'm getting him some blues. It's all go this morning. Happy days. We've got the blues. It's Friday, boys. Be happy, be lucky. Fork truck off. Happy days. Right then, now it's time to lay some blocks. So I've got his blocks. Muck tubs there. Happy days. It's Friday, Si. You feeling lucky?
No.
Here we go. Project. Get this nib. Get this nib finished. First one of the day. So that's Pro set up. We said now set up to the gauge marks I've scraped into that profile, so I know where my 75mm are. Set up one down the other end as well. Now I can pull this line. Now I've got that nib done. I'll pull that line right the way through there. Boom. Greatest hits radio. Yeah, well, I'll come over there twice, man.
It might be best for you to run up here and work out my breaker anyway.
Yeah, no worries. Quick drive around the shop, see what they've got. Hopefully they've got something tasty for me. Nice bottle of Lucasade, orange. Can't beat orange Lucasade, can you? Lovely old job. As a result, we got ourselves chicken, mayonnaise and sweet corn. Big bottle of Lucasade. Bosh. Just a job. Oh, and this little delight. Only had a sausage roll in there, didn't they? Warm, straight out of the cabinet. On a Friday. Get it in you, boys. Ha ha. So today at break time, I've decided to get my little drone out. I've got one of these little DJI drones. So I'm going to send that over the job, then we can have a good look. So the next footage you're going to see is from the drone up above. Happy days.
honest with you.
You probably got to do that at the top of the castle or something like that. So no.
Here we go. Si's got his corner up there. He's going to go and build that bit now, Si, after he's have his fag.
All good.
All good in the hood. Another wall in. We know the door frame fits because we built it in there. Lovely. And that squinted blockwork corners up as well. So I'm going to pull this bit now. Lovely old job. Gary's coming up the rear.
Oh, matron.
Oh, mate, and how you doing, Gary?
Very well, thank you.
Come round here, admire Gary's quality work. Look at that. Like a sheet of glass, that.
Bit springy.
Bit springy with the old insulation, but it's all good. Right, let's crack on with this. Got muck on my board. Time to go. Let's do it. There we go, got another internal wall set up. Overall there, side, yeah.
No, inside of that brick.
Inside edge, from there. Inside edge, brickwork.
Yeah, that's, you've got laps to there, yeah?
Lay up to there.
That should be right.
Lovely. Double check.
Yeah, 1440, that's it.
Good. Gary's out here, running in the solids. It's a shame I needed a few solids for my job at my nan's. I could have swapped them.
3 left over.
I'll have them. They all count. Right, another course on there. Away we go. Back on the forklift again. Gonna be moving some. Bring the muck over. Then I've got to get some insulation to this side, and I've got to take the dust, cement. Oh, Jesus! The cement back over, or over nearer the mixer. Aha! We've got her. The tub is up. Go on, son. There we go. Insulation. Love it. Smooth next to the mixer. We are sorted.
It looks well with these when it's done as well then.
When I get in tonight, I'm going to get the missus knickers straight off.
They're chafing,
They've
aren't
been
they?
chafing me all day, they have, yeah. Boom, boom. Getting right up there, the top of this one now.
We got
2 more course on there, 1 more on there. That's going to stay at that height because it's independent, so we're going to let that go off. It was, you know what, that would on Monday, that'll be sitting down there or out there, so that's staying where it is. Right, let's finish these last few blocks off, and then that's Friday going to be done, I reckon. Woo! Friday, Friday feeling, yeah. That's Friday done. Little bit we done in this afternoon. Got this all up. This all up in here. Left that down a little bit. So I've done a bit of a back up along here. Look, fill it up nice and tight. So lovely. That'll help that pier. Stop that going over. So yeah, the building's really starting to take shape now. Got walls going up everywhere. But yeah, it's coming on really good. All this all set out now. That's all ready. This room's all been cleaned. That's really good. What's Gary up to? Gary having a quick point up down there. That's the last of the splashing as well. That's brilliant. So yeah, if you like what you've seen today, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, so then you know whenever we load up a video, you'll be informed. And if you like any of the drone video stuff I've done today, check out some of my other videos in my channel. There's one turkey one which is really cool, and one called Success. So check them out and see you in the next video. Take care guys, see you later.